Your power window mechanism is broken due to your manufacturer using weak plastic. We replace them with our strong metal parts, giving you a lifetime guarantee at a cost radically lower than dealerships and other shops. Here at Power Window Repair, we understand that having a broken power window mechanism can be inconvenient, frustrating, and unsafe. Our customers trust us because in our experience of installing over 100,000 units, we guarantee highly trained technicians, fast mobile service or in-shop repairs, often in less than 30 minutes. With one call, you can speak to our friendly customer service team who will diagnose, quote, and schedule your repair. We service all makes and models, including classic cars. We also work on windshields, door handles, door mirrors, locks, latches, convertible tops, sunroofs, power seats, wire harnesses, and much more. You get the highest quality parts, the most convenient service, all at rock bottom prices compared to any other dealer or shop in the Valley. To receive the biggest bang for your buck, give us a call now at Power Window Repair for a free diagnosis and quote.